Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Folo's Kitchen. On today's video, I'm going to be making akara. Akara is a Nigerian recipe which is made with beans. And if you like to see how I made this, kindly sit back and let's get started. So here are the ingredients needed for this recipe. I'll be using black eyed beans. I'll be using also paprika, habanero pepper and onion. And also I have here my chopped onions. I have seasoning powder and salt to taste. The first stage is the soaking stage. So I'm going to be pouring some water into the bowl of beans. Pour a little bit of water above the beans and soak for 40 minutes. Now the next stage is the peeling process. So I'm going to be peeling with my hand. So start to scrub your beans with your hand. Continue to scrub until you can get enough of the bean skin. Please note that if you have a large amount of beans, it will be better to use blending process. Also, for the washing process, you will need a large bowl and a strainer. So at this time, we already have a large amount of the bean skin, so I'm going to be separating the skin from the beans. Continue to wash until you get rid of this skin. As you can see, my beans is well washed and clean. The next stage is the blending stage. I'm going to be putting some amount of beans into the blender, and I'm going to be blending with 2 eyes. Add some onion and paprika. And add little water. Please ensure that the water you are adding is not much. Then start to blend. Blend the beans until it is fluffy. As you can see, we are done with the first part of the blending. So I will be pouring it into a large bowl. Put the remaining beans into the blender. Add your paprika, onion and habanero pepper. And add little water. Then start to blend. Continue to blend until it has a fluffy texture and smooth. Continue to blend until it is fluffy. Now we are done with the blending process. I'm going to be pouring the batter into the large bowl. You can see it's well smooth and fluffy. The next stage is to add our ingredients into the batter. I'm going to be adding salt, chopped onions, and seasoning powder. Continue to stir. The next stage is the frying stage. Pour some vegetable oil into the frying pan. Preheat your oil for 8 minutes. Now our oil is ready for frying. Please ensure that your oil is not too hot. With a large spoonful, I'm going to be dropping the akara batter into the oil. Continue to drop the batter into the oil until there is no more space. Turn your akara both sides. You can also press with a spoon to confirm if the inside is well done. Your akara is done when it is golden brown. Now I'm going to be placing my akara on a paper towel. The reason why I'm placing the akara on a paper towel is to remove the excess oil. Continue to drop the akara batter into the oil. Repeat this process until the batter is finished. Now we are done with the frying process and our akara is ready. Akara can be served with ogi or akamu and also bread. I'll be leaving the list of the ingredients for this recipe in the description box below. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and also if this is your first time of tuning in into my channel, kindly subscribe. Also share with your family and friends, and also turn on the notification bell in case I upload a new video so that you could be notified. Thank you. Bye bye.